on. Hello everyone!
Hey.
Welcome back to our channel.
Yeah.
And if you're new here, welcome to our channel.
Yeah, first things first, we'll say we're still doing our giveaway 250 subscribers.
Yeah.
So, get subscribing.
Yes, it's only one little click. It literally takes no time at all.
That's true.
So, in today's video, it's something that we haven't done in a while. But I know you're all going to love it because Johnny's going to be in pain. And as you can see by the smile on my face, I am loving it. So, what we are going to be doing, you might remember these.
From my punishment video, the last time I was
Some
waxed.
wax strips. And we are going to be waxing Johnny's bum. And he's absolutely dreading it. No, I do have to tell you this. He did say, I would have let you wax my back sack and crack. He went, but I have a feeling you would rip my balls off.
Imagine just dangling there on the wax strip, just.
And I'm not gonna lie, I probably would end up doing that by an accident.
100%. Everything would just come off in one. I'd be a Ken doll.
So yeah, it's just gonna be the bum.
Just the bum.
It'd be totally fine.
No.
So
Let's get to it, eh?
let's get to it, yeah. Get them kegs down.
Just gonna make sure that's not seen. Oh God! Is it too late to change your mind? I don't even know. Do you know how to do this?
Yeah.
Oh no! I don't think I can do this.
Oh, it's stuck to my hand already. Pull your pants down a bit more. Oh, Johnny, it's sticking all over my hand.
Well, that's not my problem.
Right.
I don't care. I can No! Oh no! No!
Johnny, I've just only got a coat. Just stay still.
Oh wait! You're gonna have to wait.
Wait, I'm not going to do it yet. I need rub it, man.
You're gonna have to. Don't just do it. I swear to God. Don't just do it. I'll cry. Oh, Megan, that's right in the crease.
It is. It's right in the crease, and I've swear to God, if loads of bum fluff or a little bit of poo comes out.
I hope I've got winners.
Are you ready?
No. Right, rubbing it just doesn't help. Can we just forget it's there?
Right, I'm going to count down. Right? Yeah.
Oh,
Don't.
oh! I just tensed my bum and pulled the hair.
Do not do that.
I just tensed to pull the hair.
Right, chill out, man. Be alright.
Be alright. Can I do yours next?
If you want it.
Can
No,
I?
I'm joking because I've got no hair on my bum, so you will literally pull my skin off.
No.
Right, just lie down, babe.
Nope. This is my position. This is what I'm about.
But that's it.
Oh my. Right. No.
3, 2.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It's completely stuck. It won't even come off.
Yes, stop teasing us.
Oh, I'm going to need to do it again because you've got loads of wax like on the hair. Does that look yellow to you or me? Or does...
Have I got ginger bum hair?
I don't know.
I don't know, it's just from staring at that light. Oh, my cheeks are sticking together from the wax.
Right, relax.
It's better make my bum look good.
Are you want all your bum waxed?
I don't want any of it waxed.
I know, but if you want it all waxed, we're going to be out all day.
It was just a funny idea when I was like, wouldn't it be funny? And then
I went with it.
yes,
And
you
I was
went.
like, yeah.
I thought you'd say no. Oh, will you please just get it off in one?
I can't. See, it won't come off in one.
Absolute butcher.
That was shocking.
But isn't there little
There's too much hair.
Isn't there little wipes in there to like wipe off the excess wax? Because you're gonna have to do it together after, because my butt cheeks will just stick together. It is. It's the anticipation's the worst part. Oh my god, it didn't come on one. I think my skin did. Oh!
Oh, all that hair.
Oh my god. We've done the same place 3 times. We're no further along than the first one. Oh great, the same place again.
It's not a little bit further down this time.
Ooh. Oh my Christ!
Hey, I hope that's fluff on the end of my fingers and not bum hair.
Oh, it's bum hair. Alright, do one on the other cheek and then down the crease, and then we're done. Oh, that crease is gonna hurt, isn't it?
Johnny, you're gonna need one in the bath.
Oh, don't pick it! I'm gonna need an ice bath to cool my ring down.
Right. Do you want your crease first or the other bum cheek first?
Probably the other bum cheek first, because I think if the old canyon gets done, I'm not getting back up. I think that's gonna be the end of old Johnny.
It's on.
The fear.
No, I swear to God, the bit that actually has wax, right? It looks amazing. Like, it looks so good. Like this.
Right. Stop moving. Controller's like a puppet. Oh no. I don't know how people do backsack and crack. I really don't. Because this is just my cheeks. Oh my Christ! Jesus, take this wheel.
Right, are we going straight in for the crease? I mean, it needs done. Spread your bum cheeks apart for us.
Well, that's a request, isn't it? Get that off us.
Oh, that is naughty, that, you know. Right, I think it's going to be easier this way, so straight in the crease. This is going to kill, you know. Your bum hole is going to be stinging.
Why am I laughing?
Because if you didn't, you'll cry.
Yeah. Oh no.
Right.
Have I got piles? I can't remember. I'm about not.
Hey, I don't know. I'm not looking. I don't know what piles look like. I've never had them.
If I do have piles, I'm about to not have them anymore.
Are you ready?
No.
Spread
Not
them,
even
bum cheeks, spread them.
Not even the little. Oh, let's look. That was. Look at that chunk of bumhole hair. I don't want to do anymore. I can't do it.
Right, that's fine.
My bum cheeks are stuck together, Megan.
Right. No, it is. No wax melts. No wax strips are going to cover that. It needs a hedge trimmer.
Would you shave it for us?
Would I?
Aye.
Yeah.
Oh, cute and shit.
What did you do last night? Shave my boyfriend's bum hole.
You know what? I could get used to someone wiping my bum for us, you know.
Don't even dare get used to it. I mean, it's
I'm going to do the outro from here because
not really much difference, to be honest.
it feels different.
Apart from there's 2 patches of smoothness.
Obviously, we can't show you because no one wants to see that.
I mean, I enjoy seeing it because you have got a sexy bum.
Thanks.
Well,
It's kind of scary that we've still got wax strips left.
It's kind of scary that we still got wax strips left.
Right, no, I've got bum hole hair on my little finger. Right, we're gonna have to say goodbye.
It's scary.
Because I really need to go and wash these hands.
It scares us that there's wax strips left though, because like you're gonna go, like, oh, let's just use them in a video.
There's so many left. So, thank you for watching.
Thanks, guys.
Please, if you're not already, subscribe
Yeah.
and hit the thumbs up button to like this video. We do appreciate it.
It's like we said, still doing the giveaway.
Yes, we are.
It's gonna be some
and
pretty cool stuff.
just be notified when our videos are up. So,
Oh,
hit
yeah.
the notification bell.
Yeah.
It's so worth it.
Well,
If you want to see videos like this quite often, then yeah, I would do that.
in our last spoof video, which we love. I honestly, I love him. I really enjoy watching it. It's very funny. Well, we think it is anyway.
So, be kind
Stay strong
and
and love
love
yourself.
yourself.